Hey guys, now I'm so excited and so happy and so delighted to bring you the Meizu 21 because long time I have never, I haven't unboxed the Meizu's device for very long time, over I think 2 to 3 years. So this time I'm so excited to have the Meizu 21, the new and the latest flagship model from Meizu. And today I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to talk about the specification, the main features about this device. So yes, I cannot wait to open it. So about the box, yes, it's a very simple design box. Meizu 21, the brand name and the model, and we cannot find other information from other site. Just at the bottom of the box here, we have the information here. So this is the white edition, because if I choose Meizu, of course I will choose the white, because Meizu they focus on the white color for many years, and they think also for me they think the white is the most hardest one to make, and also is the most pure and beautiful one. So here we have the Meizu white edition, 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM edition, and also this time Flyme 15 and Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor. They also have in this new model flag model from Meizu. So next, okay, let's open it. Yes, cannot waiting. Wow, yeah, okay. So after we open it, we get some love without boundary, no boundary. Meizu, and maybe you don't know, but I can give some information now. The Meizu is purchased by a car company called Geely, and now they focus on the OS, and it will also bring to the car OS to Geely, and also the smartphone can be more smart and it can be used not as only smartphone but the keys for your cars, and so it's a station for your life. So okay, I talked too much about other things. Let's get it back, and here we can find, after we open it, we can find another box. So in this box, wow, this is a new design. Yes, here is the new special shaped SIM card eject. Yes, SIM card eject here. You can find here. Not a very standard or very normal one, but they have a very new design, and some words to the deal fans of Meizu. Thanks for their support, and the CEO signature. So this is the box in the package in the smartphone box. So here, oh, it's the cable. Oh yes, the put cable here is also a bit different compared to other smartphones. Type C to Type C. Yes, very cool. So inside this, there's also very small box here, and also here is the warranty card and quick introduction, and also here is well, transparent soft case is okay. So nothing special for this in this books. So let's put it aside and go to today's main actor. Mirror, the Meizu 21. Okay, cannot wait. Wow, here is Meizu 21, also different compared to other devices. The brand, they use the paper, soft paper, very soft paper, or special kind of paper or plastic bag. But for Meizu, they use the a bit hard paper, and pure white, pure simple. Meizu 21 and a dot, red dot. Put it right here. Oh, and also okay, okay. Wow, Also, the charger also protected by a paper protector. Very nice. So on the here only charger. To put the cable in another package. So this is the okay. Wow, special parts, special way they design the books and they design put the accessories in the smartphone. So first, so we can now go to the smartphone. First, let me get it out from the the box, the paper protector. Whoa, and now the Meizu is in front of us. Okay, very nice, very beautiful. You know, the white is very hard to focus. Okay, a big challenge, a small challenge for my shooting device. So it's a very simple design, pure white and matted glass. Meizu logo here, shining, and triple camera system. Bumped up here for the third camera a bit different. They have a LED, circular LED light. And for a framework, very nice, and it looks very comfortable and high-end mental. Not cover screen, just a straight screen. And whoa, when I wake up, here's a control screen, control camera, the receiver. And one thing I should mention is the screen to body ratio is amazing, very narrow. And from their official release and news, we know they use the world's narrowest bezel. For size same, 1.74 millimeters. So this is amazing. And the screen is 6.55 inch Samsung LED screen, and peak brightness 1800. Okay, and also for the front, also black, white, the back part white. So it looks so beautiful, and I really like it. Personally, I used the Meizu M9, MX2, MX3, so for a long time no Meizu new devices, and this time get it. I'm so excited, I cannot stop to talk about it, the design, because I really like it. And also the LED light, it can be used as a notification of your message and or music. And also you can use it with your AI, like if you see 小西 yes, the smart voice. 明天天气怎么样? So here you can, the sound can change, the light can change. Very nice. Oh, amazing. And also besides the design, we can also go to the thank you, 谢谢 settings to check the basic more information about this device. Qualcomm 3 Generation 3 processor, front 32 megapixel, rear 200 megapixel, amazing. Big pixel camera, 32 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, triple camera system, RAM, raw information. It can support also expanded to 3, 5, 7 virtual RAM. ROM 512. It also supports LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0. And for underscore, it reached to 2.02 mini score. So it's better than the another device I reviewed from the Realme GT5 Pro. Also Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor. A bit better, yes. And about the charger, 80 watt fast charging, and also 65 watt PD fast charging. And yes, for the battery this time, okay, it's used the 4800 battery, and it's also supported QC4 Plus So it's not so fast than I mentioned the Realme GT5 Pro because it's about 100, so it's a bit low efficient. And also I want to talk about dimensions. I forget to talk it. It's 156.7 length, thickness 7.9, and thickness 5.3 mm. And I can bring the Realme GT5 Pro here, and over here we can compare it. So here, yes, it's another device I mentioned, also released last week. It's also Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor. You can find for the size a bit bigger for the Realme, and for the thickness, if added bumped up, I think the Meizu also thin. The weight for this 224 and this 198 light. Yeah, but battery this it's 5,400, but this one just okay 4,800. So this is the difference about the appearance. Very simple comparison. And like the other part, like the camera, as I mentioned, this one I already mentioned, but for the other here, you get the camera information here. 32 same, 58, 50, 2 megapixel, 13, 5 megapixel. So yes, for the camera, I think the Realme is better. So yes, I will focus on the Meizu, and yes, we can okay. Enjoy it. We can check it from a different site. Yes, after the introduction about the processor, and we can also talk about the camera. Mentioned main one 200 1.7 aperture, and also here wide angle 13 megapixel, 2.4, and wide depth 5 megapixel, and 4 times zoom, two times portrait, and 8K recording, and it supports OIS and EIS for front, 32 megapixel. Okay, the camera is so-so, but the design is pretty nice, and I really like it. Battery I already mentioned, dimension already mentioned, screen. Yes, screen, so 6.5K Samsung OLED screen, and screen to ratio, screen ratio 19:5:9, and display resolution 2340 by 1080. Not so good, not so good like the Realme GT5 Pro, also good. And other features like the smart control, smart AI voice, and the dual speaker, and the engine, M-Engine Ultra, and also another thing is they use the ultrasonic on the screen fingerprint. It's better than the normal one, so this is pretty cool. And also I think we can have a very simple camera test about this device. Oh, cannot wait to check the camera part. Wait. Okay, I get object here. Oh, turn on the camera. So here's one time, one angle, 2 times, here 4 times. Okay, just 10 times. Zoom performance cannot much more in the front. Yes. So this, I will put the sample pictures at the end of the video and we can check it. If we want to check it here, we can. Cannot find how to get here. Front 10 time, 4 time, 2 time, and wide angle normal. So no worry, I put it at the end of the video. So yes, this is all the information about the device from Meizu, the Meizu 21, and yes, so what do you think of such a bit special and new model from Meizu? Thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.